Hi viewers, welcome back to Super Gadgets with another unboxing video of Xiaomi Redmi phone, Redmi Note 9 Pro. Before starting this video, make sure you have subscribed to this channel. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications of my informative videos. Redmi Note 9 Pro. This model is available in 64GB with 6GB and 128GB with 6GB. I have 128GB variant with Mi True Wireless Earphones Lite. I am not going to unbox earphones in this video. I will make another video on these. Redmi is confusing their customers by launching almost same devices with different names like 9S, 9 Pro and 9 Pro Max. There is only little bit difference in specifications and you will be confused in 9S, 9 Pro and Pro Max. Redmi Note 9S has 48 megapixel quad camera setup and 18 watt fast charging support, while 9 Pro has 64 megapixel quad camera and 30 watt fast charging support. Let's start unboxing. This Redmi Note 9 Pro is available in 3 colors: green, grey and glacier white. I have opened it. Here is a user manual guide. A SIM ejector. A silicone case for phone. And here is the device. .33 watt fast charger and Type-C charging cable which supported 30 watt. There are no earphones in the box. Xiaomi don't give earphones with their devices. Let's talk about the main specifications which are mentioned on the phone sticker. 64 megapixel artificial intelligence quad camera setup with 16 megapixel selfie camera in display. 30 watt fast charging support, which is very amazing. This phone has 5020 mAh battery. It gets from 0 to 100% charged in just 84 minutes. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. In this price, it is a very good processor. 6.67 inch full HD display with side mounted fingerprint. Let me take this sticker off. I really like side mounted instead of on screen or backside fingerprint. This was my opinion. Tell me in comment box which fingerprint sensor you like. Let's talk about physical overview. Shiny green color is very pretty with protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Here is the Redmi branding and camera bump here with 64 megapixel quad camera setup. 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth camera. Here is LED flash. On the sides, here is the power button and also fingerprint sensor and volume rocker button. On other side, here is SIM tray. At the bottom, here 3.5mm audio jack, a Type-C charging port, a microphone and speaker grade. Let's talk about the screen. Flat 6.67 inches display with no edges on side. Resolution of display is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 395 pixel per inch density. And here is the 16 megapixel front camera in display. Front glass is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's start review. Let's start the phone. I will back after completing the startup menu. Now phone is ready to use. Let's set up the fingerprint and check the speed of fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint is taking too long. Yes, I finished this and it is working very smoothly and efficiently. Phone grip is very comfortable and fingerprint is very easy to use instead of other fingerprints. Now open the About section. MIUI variant is 11.0.1 and Android variant is 10. Themes in software, so you don't need to buy from any store. You can apply any theme which you like. Let's check the camera. You can capture photos on 64 megapixel camera and also capture wide angle photos. Here are a lot of functions in software: night mode, pro mode, panorama mode and portrait mode. Now check the result of image with main camera. As you can see on screen, details are very good with the help of zoom function. Now let's check the macro camera. I really like macro function. You can capture a picture when your camera is too close to the object. You can record 4K video at 30 frames per second, 1080 video at 60 and 30 frames per second, and 720 at 30 frames per second. Now talk about the slow motion video. You can record slow motion at 120 frames per second and 960 frames per second. You can record 1080 30 frames per second with front camera. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section below. I will reply you soon. I hope you like this video, so hit the like button and show your love on subscribe button and click on bell icon. Keep supporting me for more informative videos. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.